Yep, bafethu sanibonani sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Yeah, bafethu lana sikhuluma iqiniso nothing but the truth. Apparently Khuliso Mutau is leaving Sundowns as a free agent if they abamthengisi ngoJanuary. Khuliso Mutau will leave Sundowns as a free agent. Unqabile ukusayina i-contract nge-5 December. Wathi renew i-contract. Sundowns was trying to renew, wathi renew. That means uyahamba bafethu. Yeah. Apart from lapho bafethu, ngizonitshela amasandawana azovumelana nami la. UMtsipho ushiye i-team noThophi ne. uThophi into ayiyenzayo kahle manje uku-destroy i-Sundowns. Uyi-destroy-a ngama-distinction. Yabo masithi destroy-a into ngama-distinction. Ukhipha i-culture ye-Shoeshine Piano, uthenga wonke lama-Portuguese, ama-Brazilian, abantu base-Chile, abantu abazothi mase bahamba abancengi. For an example, bheka uRibeiro. Look at Ribeiro. Ayikaze yayenzeka lento ukuthi i-player lizi-release. Ayikaze yayenzeka, besicala ukuyibona ngoRibeiro. Uzi-release-ile, wazithengisa mahhala. Yes. Lapho i-team bese-build-we around yena, yabo. It's the same thing lento abayenzayo manje, bathenga u-number 10 no-number 7, ngapha u-Allende, ngapha abo-Cupido, ngapha it's like umuntu one-skin esimnyama ku-Sundowns, they are trying to replace it. Everyone omnyama, they are trying to replace. Abo-Themba Zwane, abo-Aubrey Mdiba, you can check ama-position wabo. They are trying to replace with a light skin person. Yabo. Enye into bafethu uMtsipho worked hard for ukuthi i-Sundowns ibe la ibe khona. Sometimes umntwana wakho bafethu akusiyo i-choice e-grand for ukuthi ungamnika ibhizinisi ali-run. Yes, umntwana wakho but business wise maka-soft, don't do that. I-example leyo bafethu, ungabe uthengisa ama-chips elokishini uthengisani. Lena i-example yokuthi umntwana wakho you don't give him ibhizinisi lakho. I don't believe ukuthi uXhobi khe wadlala ibhola like elifini yakhe. Makadlala ibhola maybe kadlala nabanye abo-Cheese Boy, yabona abantwana bama-president, abantwana like I don't believe uyali-understand ibhola uXhobi. I don't. Sorry masandawana, sorry.